My name's Ken Harper. I'm chairman of the board of Howell Fire Commissioners District 5 in Howell Township, New Jersey. So Howell Township is about 62 square miles. We service most of the town with mutual aid. We also service other towns next to us, including Jackson, Freewood, Millstone, and Lakewood. Our company runs over 600 calls a year. The truck is a 389 Peterbilt, got a 605 horsepower Cummins. It has 60,000 pound rears and a 20K pusher axle. The truck this is replacing is a 1991 Peterbilt tractor drawn that was a 6,500 gallon tractor. This is just going to be run as a tanker. We did put cross lays in it only because you never know if you're going to come up on something. We did have an instance one time where the tanker pulled up on a car fire on the parkway and we had no way of putting it out because we had no cross lines. So the truck has a 4,850 gallon water tank. That tank drops into a 3,000 gallon minute of pump. It's got a front tank to pump and a rear tank to pump to handle the GPMs per minute of the pump. Over here we have 4 smaller discharges, and then all around the truck there's 4 large diameter discharges. So this truck will push a lot of water if need be. So these are the 2 speed lays we have. They'll both be 1 3/4 inch, I believe. We also had a toolbox put in so we could store all our different fittings, any Ys or anything we need to put in here. The back axles are 60,000 pound axles. They're the largest axles you could get on the market right now. The front is a 20K quad tire steerable axle. So what that's gonna do is help distribute the weight better over this and also help with stopping. Truck has 3 chutes on it. It's got 1 on each side in this position and then there's 1 in the back. This is a drop-down pond. It's 4,000 gallons. So when we're gonna run a tanker shuttle to drop water in the ponds, this pond will drop and be set up next to the truck so other trucks can pull and dump into it. On the back of the truck, we have the 3rd chute that goes out of the back so you can back into the pond. These are 2 large diameter discharges. This is an intake for filling. On the back here, there's a step that pulls out so you can step up and everything's at chest height. Up top, there's a hose bed that runs some 5-inch and 3-inch hose. All right, so this is just the drop down. It's got hard suction line in it. So when we're gonna draft, we can drop this down and pull hard suction line off to set up for that type of situation. In here, we have more storage on both sides. It has the racks on the back for air tanks. We also, as you move down the truck, we have spots for additional tanks down the truck. As you can see in here, we have rack built for extra hose. These move around so you can put 5-inch in here, 1 3/4 inch, whatever size hose you want. Over here is gonna be large discharges, small discharges, and these are gonna be your 2 large diameter passenger intakes. I'd like to make a special thank you to the taxpayers of District 5 in Howell Township. I'd also like to thank the truck committee and the commissioners for putting this truck together. Defender Emergency Services of Farmingdale, New Jersey. I'd like to put a special thank you out to Barney and Jim Lepore. We're excited to get this truck into service to see what it can do.